At AIMEN, we have been working in laser micromachining with ultra-fast lasers for several years. The advantages of our laser micromachining systems rely on the combination of ultra-fast lasers and the current developments at AIMEN: laser beam management, high-precision positioning, and artificial intelligence. Our intention is to bring laser machining to the next level in industrialization for a wider range of applications for different sectors, such as transport, medical, energy, or electronics. For this purpose, AIMEN is developing different processes following the same philosophy: surface functionalization of large and complex components, fabrication of small features for optical applications based on two-photon polymerization, continuous manufacturing through roll-to-roll replication process, and high productivity and precision laser-based machining such as microdrilling, precision cutting of foils, and 3D writing in transparent media. This technology is an extremely high-precision manufacturing process and can be used for producing microparts and generation of functional surfaces at micro and nanoscale for different applications like tribology, aerodynamics, heat management, optical properties, or antibacterial surfaces.